everyone, I'm Stacy, and today I'm just going to show you how to make a good old-fashioned zucchini bread. It's that time of year where the gardens are producing very well, and so it's perfect time to be putting this together. So anyways, the very first thing you're going to want to do is prepare your baking pans. Now typically what you're going to do is just grease the very bottom of your pan, but I like to use a little piece of parchment paper, and then I still put some butter on the bottom of that piece so that it will pop out very easily. So anyway, okay, so now I'm going to add in 2 2/3 cup of sugar. I am using organic sugar here. And then I have 2/3 cup of melted butter, 2/3 cup of water, and 4 eggs. So first thing I'm going to do is mix these together before I add some of my dry ingredients. Okay, so that should do it. So now I'm going to add in 3 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. I have 2 teaspoons of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I'm going to put in 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. I did use sea salt. And then I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. Let's go ahead and get this out. And then I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to a different whisk. This is called a Danish dough whisk, and it really is helpful when you're doing batter types of bread dough. So now the next thing I'm going to add is 3 cups of shredded zucchini, and I have 2/3 cup of chopped pecans. All right, so now I'm just going to pour this into my prepared bread pans. Now, if you don't want to do a bread pan or don't have any, you can easily just use a cake pan. It's fine for that. Okay. So I'm going to fill them up to about 2/3 full. So now I've got them about 2/3 full, and I'm just going to bake this in the oven on 350 degrees for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. What you're going to need to do though is just check it at the end and then just kind of put a knife into it or a wooden skewer just to see if it comes out clean. And I will show you what it looks like when it's done. Thanks, bye.